Does your CPU overheat when gaming? Is your PC crashing on games that it should be able to handle on ultra settings? Let's look at a few common causes for this problem and how we can fix it. The first thing we could try is restricting the CPU performance to about 80 or 90%. So we do this by going to the control panel and then clicking on power options. On our currently selected power plan, we want to click on change plan settings and then we click on advanced power settings. So in this menu we want to look for processor power management, and then on the maximum option we want to set it to about 80 or 90%. Next we click on apply and then OK. This problem could be caused by bad airflow or dust in your PC case. So a quick way to check this is to clean out all the dust from your case and then turn up your settings back to 100% and see if it still crashes. If it does still crash, you may need to change your case of your PC.